Welcome back everybody, and today we have something very special, and that is the Epomaker P65. This is one of the most premium compact keyboards on the market right now at an affordable price, and straight away I can tell you it is absolutely worth it from my time with it. Now, it is a CNC'd aluminum chassis and it feels extremely premium. As you can see here, it's all very pretty and nice. Now, I have the khaki version, I think that's what it's called, but there is a black version also. Now, you do get some accessories with this keyboard. You get extra key switches. You get a key switch and keycap puller. And of course, you also get an Allen key to dismantle the keyboard if you so desire. Also included is a very high quality braided USB-C cable if you want to run it wired. And honestly, it's a very nice addition. It's not generic, it looks nice, and it fits the keyboard's aesthetic really well. Now, as you can see here, there is a three-way switch which you can choose between Bluetooth and 2.4. And you also get a dongle, of course, and one of my favorite features is that it's magnetic, so you won't lose it. Also, the volume knob also has a very nice tactile feeling and also has a mute switch. And of course, what keyboard would be premium without having RGB effects? Now, this is all switchable. This keyboard is also using the Epomaker Wisteria key switches, a very nice feeling linear switch with a 39-gram force. As you can see here, very cool, very pretty. And here's a little bit of a sound test. Now, coming from a generic keyboard, this keyboard has absolutely changed the way I play and work. As you guys know, I am a YouTube content creator, and having this typing experience whilst writing out emails, whilst making scripts, has honestly changed the way that I view keyboards. Now, it's also very good for gaming, as it is a mechanical switch. It is linear, so it's not overbearing in terms of sound, and it does feel fantastic whilst you're playing games. And frankly, I can't recommend it enough. There is a few downsides though. The typing angle is a little bit weird and cannot be adjusted. It will take some getting used to. Obviously, with it being a 65% keyboard, you do not have the function row, but that has been fixed with a shortcut, so you can use function and then the number keys. Now, in regards to battery life, it isn't the best. It's got a 4000 milliamp hour battery. Now, it is perfectly fine for 3 to 4 days worth of battery life, but it isn't perfect. I would like to see at least a week in my personal use case. And overall, I do think it is a very good keyboard and 100% worth the price when you compare it to keyboards in the same price range. Now, that has been me. If you are interested at all in this keyboard, there is links down below, both to Epomaker and an Amazon listing, which will help me out. But that's it for now, and I hope you enjoyed, so I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.